In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Systeme.io affiliate link. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account to grab your unique affiliate ID so you can start sharing it and earning commissions. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Systeme.io website. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Take your time here and make sure you're logging into the correct account you want to promote from, especially if you have more than one. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your main Systeme.io interface. At the very top of the page, you'll see the main navigation bar. Move your mouse over the option labeled Dashboard. Don't click right away. Instead, simply hover over it for a moment. When you hover over Dashboard, a drop-down menu will appear beneath it with several options related to your account. From that list, look for the option that says Affiliate Dashboard. This is where all your affiliate-related information is stored. Go ahead and click on Affiliate Dashboard. You'll be taken to a new page dedicated to your affiliate activity, such as signups, earnings, and your unique affiliate details. Now that you're inside the Affiliate Dashboard, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There's a sidebar there that organizes different pieces of information. Near the top of this sidebar, you should see a section that displays your earnings and performance stats. Just below that earnings section is where you'll find your affiliate ID. This affiliate ID is the key part of your affiliate link. Systeme.io usually displays it clearly, together with a small copy icon next to it. To copy your affiliate ID, simply click on that copy icon. When you do, your affiliate ID will be copied to your clipboard, ready to paste. From here, you can paste this ID into your affiliate links or wherever Systeme.io instructs you to use it. You can share your link on your website, in blog posts, social media captions, YouTube descriptions, or in your email campaigns. Wherever you choose to share it, make sure it's clear to your audience what they're clicking and consider adding a brief disclosure if you're required to by local regulations. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened the affiliate dashboard, located your affiliate ID, and copied it so you can start promoting Systeme.io and earning commissions.